Hey there, welcome everyone, welcome back to the New York session. I'm already in a trade, so don't worry, it's cool. Was a little bit aggressive here, but what can I say? Already in a trade. But let's see what's happening. Seemed like to me that price wants to go for that buy side liquidity, which is the 1 hour fair value gap. I was hoping that before the futures open we will see a sharp push to the upside, which didn't happen yet. This did not happen yet, so anything can happen, I guess. If it takes me out, that's really unfortunate, but what can I say? It is what it is. Let's wait for it. How is everybody doing? How are you guys? Hope everyone made some profits during the London session. Unfortunately, I didn't. And it pretty much seems like that this one is going to the dumpster too. Mario, good morning. What's happening? I don't know what could have been the problem here. I was so sure all the way in the London session that buy side should be resting up there. We should be seeing some kind of a retracement to the hourly fair value gap. Didn't happen. Didn't happen yet. So not really the thing I wanted to see here on the chart. As soon as I entered on the pullback here on the second leg up there, it immediately went against me, but yeah. Yeah, that's absolutely a bad thing when it happens. Was looking good. I thought, you know, okay, it's repriced this area here in this gap. Took some liquidity and then, you know, should be going up there. But so we had this nice candle here, long candle at 8.11 with a fair value gap. So I thought that, okay, it's retracing back into it, should be going higher. But this was a tricky one. It's a dirty move, dirty. Oh, look at that. On the edge. Ah, what a shame. What a shame. I was really hoping for this one. Okay, on to the next trade, I guess. You're down 100. Oh. That's not good. I still hope that we will see some buy side up there at 938. But as it seems like it right now, the 5-minute is breaking structure. And this one could be a possible market maker sell model. How much time until candle close? Less than 1 minute. Yeah. So this could be a sell even. Have to wait for this. I am curious how this candle is going to end up. How about the news? The news are coming out real soon. Canadian news, that is. We have the building permits, which I think is also, I mean, it says medium impact, but I think it could be heavy. Could be heavy. Housing industry is not just housing, but yeah, all kind of builds are pretty much important, I think, to the economy. Waiting for 860 for long bounce. Yeah, the VWAP. The VWAP is there. Right now we are at the 200. I do like the way the 5-minute looks like, but the best is the 15-minute, and I also like the 1 hour. I do like that. Actually, the 1 hour did shift structure here, going back down. I don't usually check the 30-minute, but there is a gap here at the 30-minute chart. So if this is the one that's gonna get filled right now and going for that buy side, I'm ready to take a long on this, hopefully. I guess we'll see. All right. Comics is open, so we're waiting for the futures in about 2 minutes and 30 seconds. And you have some nice order blocks on ES. And what else? If I go out to the 1 hour, I see the same juicy targets up there. Looking very good. No, I don't trade stocks, Mario. For some time I thought that maybe it would be a good idea, but I don't. So, not really. Not really. But, you know, let's hope we will see some action here. I'm trying to transition from stocks to futures. Yeah, I think that's the way to do it, because of course, I'm absolutely not an expert in stocks, but I think trading futures is much more simpler, much easier. But anyway, market is about to open, so get prepared. There's going to be an opening bell, super loud. So let's count down. Lower your speakers. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. We're open. Open for business. What is happening here? I'm on the TradeAway platform right now. I'm trading these two accounts. As you see, connected to TradeAway right now. But I don't see anything specific at the moment. I do think we're gonna pop higher. So I'm gonna buy a market order here. And if it gets lower, I'm gonna buy more. Like with 3 micros maybe. I'm gonna see this go to 38. So let's go. No stop loss for now. But I do want to see this go to 38. All right, added one more. And now I'm gonna wait. No news. It was market open, Josef. Futures market, yeah, futures market opened up. It's not Wall Street. Oh, it's just the futures. It's not the Wall Street. So the opening bell was a little bit loud. But it was a move. Like, just when it hit the 30. Yeah, it's just 230. I know. 330 is Wall Street and 230 is futures. So I'm sorry about the bell. It was partially misintentional, but yeah, so we're still waiting. But as you see, and you can check it out in the previous weeks, days, whatever, futures market open also holds some volatility. I was hoping for that. And building permits, yeah. Bigger number was expected than this, so the number is a little bit lower than expected, but it can still go higher. Okay, let me put a stop loss on this one. Um, 936 maybe. Sell limit up there would be fine. With a small position with 2 micro. I thought we are gonna skyrocket to that buy side, but still not doing that. Just a small teaser position to see where we go from here. But I would really love to see price go up there. If it sweeps the lows down below my stop, I think I should wait at least to 838 area to be taken. Actually, the news aren't that good, so we could see a decline. Canadian CPI, yeah. Housing starts. It's a low number. It's not good news. Definitely not good news. But if it wants to go, it should take out the 38, so my TP is below that. Let's see. What do we have? What do we have? ES is also pointing up a little bit, but nothing special so far. Still going up. I wasn't trading Russell nowadays, but it's still interesting to see what it does. Okay, okay. Looking for some kind of targets. But on the other chart, a lot of resistance at 900. Yeah, I can definitely see that. Definitely see that. Okay, we're stuck here a little bit. Maybe it's gonna be like this until the open. Get prepared. But because there are some beautiful order blocks on the 1 hour, I stand by my analysis, and I'm very certain that maybe even today we should be going into that fair value gap up there. We have to. I mean, as far as I checked, NQ and ES on the higher time frames, it's just screaming for it, that it wants to go into that area. So I stand by my analysis. Stand by me. In the safe position. All right, Iron Virgil. Let's hope we will get it. I mean, there are too many reasons. There's a lot of reasons to go up there, at least to wick up there, and then it can turn around. But I see more reasons to go up than down. That's for sure. Way more reasons, but we can only take an educated guess, as Mark Douglas would say. And we're just waiting. And while we're waiting, on my other screen, I'm analyzing some charts here. But nothing. I wonder what's happening in the Forex industry. Hold on. What is the futures name of Japanese yen? Let me check for it. Futures, yes, and Q. Euro. I see that. Hang Seng, no. Gold, we have that. Silver, no. No. Japanese yen futures, yeah. I was curious about that. All right. Let's check the Japanese yen. Wow. I know someone who really likes to trade this. I noticed that you trade 85% in the range. Why don't you guess the real trend? Yeah, I mean, I try to guess the real trend. And the real trend, I think if we're talking about real trend, I would say we have to look for the higher time frames, right? So if we're looking at the higher time frames, for example, beginning from the 1 hour to the 4 hour, we can say that we are in a bearish trend, right? And after a huge drop like yesterday, we see this in a range. But I think in the past couple of weeks, even months, this year, many times, for example, the London sessions are stuck in a range, and the big moves are happening in New York. So yeah, most of the time, if we are forcing, because I'm forcing the trades, if I come to the stream and I'm trying to take trades, I'm just forcing it. Ideally, I should not be taking many of these trades, but I'm trying to force it a little bit. But you know, if we break out from this to the upside or to the downside, that's still okay. So you're right by saying I'm trading in the range, because this is range actually. But I'm trying to guess where is the draw on liquidity. And I journal my days, and as far as I review my journaling and my trade analysis with the higher time frames, most of the cases, I mean not all the time, but at least 60 to 70% in the cases, I see the draw on liquidity quite well on the higher time frames, for example 1 hour, 4 hour maybe. And if I see a movement like this going to that buy side in this example, I try to seize the opportunity even inside the range. If I see a displacement, a huge candle, up close candle, market structure shift, I try to jump in and go for that. So I know this is not an answer, but I'm just trying to trade like where I see the draw on liquidity, I try to go for it. This is the low hanging fruit, I think, the 938 level, because if the narrative is that price should be taking up some liquidity, then it should go there. But if the narrative is that we should drop furthermore, then it should be reversing now or at the market open to the downside. But the thing is that it made a new low, took out yesterday's low, so it would be logical for price to deliver all those orders up there. Into that gap. Is this a range? Yeah, this is a range. I want to, Iron Virgil, I want to. I'm gonna be doing that with MyFundedFutures and Apex, because Apex already has it. For an extra subscription, you can trade it with the Apex, and MyFundedFutures is going to add it as a standard feature. I think, I'm not sure, but they said it's gonna happen soon. Nem, egyáltalán. Így van, pontosan. Jól csinálod. Az a helyzet, hogy ezért mondtam, hogy én sem csinálom mostanában nagyon jól. Kicsit kijöttem a formából, úgyhogy just a little Hungarian here. I was just trying to explain here that usually it would be better to wait for a clear trend to form. So for example, break out from this range and point for a much cleaner liquidity area. But you know. This is the part where the mental awareness or discipline kicks in or not, or proper risk management. For example, I'm only here in this trade with 2 micros, so I know that I'm ain't going to lose more than $80, something like that. $82 on this trade, so that's okay for me. That's all right with me. When do you cover cost for the trade? Should you exit? Well, I want to cover cost at 938 because at 935 because at 938 is the 1 hour fair value gap. If you guys go to the 1 hour, you will see a fair value gap at 938. So that's when I want to cover, if that's what you mean. But if you mean like when am I going to put it to break even, that's a good question. If it would pump higher here above the 19 with a strong move, maybe I would move it to break even and I would cover it. Here is a takeout 908 plus double top. Yeah, József, yeah. Yeah. Sajnos múlt hét az olyan volt. Nekem is. Én is sajnos úgy jártam. Sajnos én is úgy jártam, és nem tudtam, mit csináljak. Múlt hét nagyon frusztrált voltam én is. In the morning I was right that this will go down. But you... that it will go up. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Alright, I'm gonna grab a drink. Let's hope something positive will happen here. I'll be right back. I'm sorry guys, I'm back. I just had to settle some stuff, but you know, nothing has changed. And let me see. Chica, welcome on the channel. Welcome to the stream, and welcome Trader Oracle, DX Wealth. Hey there. Chao Tang, we need to wait. Yeah. Welcome everyone. Sorry, I was dealing with some stuff and waiting for market open. I don't like this trade. It's not looking good. And let's see. I still say we should be getting into getting into that buy side at 38. If not, then who knows? Let me check on ES for a second. What is ES doing right now? Almost the same. Almost the same. I'd like to see these markets go higher, tap into the 1 hour fair value gap. That would be awesome. Otherwise, nothing. Nothing that is interesting to me at this point. So the numbers were not good. So I wonder how the market is going to open. Are we going to continue the drop or not? Oh no, this trade is gonna get taken out again. That's 2-minute loss. I should not be trading this account today. I still have some profits, not too much, but I'm down today $200, so more than 250. Should be leaving this account for the day. But maybe we will have some hope later. Yeah. All right. Oh yeah, Mesopeti, hey there. Üdvözöllek. Teljesen elfelejtettem. Totally forgot. New Hungarian trader is here. It's a big question. What's it gonna do? Unfortunately, I'm pretty close to these lows, and that's why I think I could be taken out easily at the open. You're all in? Come on. You can't be all in, Betty. What are you doing? Don't put everything on one trade, except if you're YOLOing. I was really hoping for the buy side in the 1 hour chart. I think we have to short today. Yeah, it pretty much seems like that the bulls are not pushing this high enough. Rejected here, rejected once more. A lot of pressure around this area at the 900s, 910, 920. Just can't get through it. Just can't. And even if I look at the 15-minute and the 5-minute, I see some good targets down there. If it takes me out, we have a high chance to go to 38, 39 maybe. So we'll see. YOLO? Guys, if you guys want to YOLO, be careful. The news was not good, so we can expect this one to go lower. We can absolutely expect it to go lower. And there you go. I'm gonna just delete my TP for now because I do believe that this is gonna go down. I don't like it. So many traders are trading the opening range after the market open. The question is, if you look at the range, where could be the liquidity? Where could this go? Right? 38 is down there. It can go down there, but we don't know that. You know, the ideal thing would be to just trade the opening range and then, you know, be on with our business for the rest of the day. That would be really something. I'm gonna get taken out from here. I mean, it's just so close. Even if I look at the 15-minute, there is liquidity down at the 50s. So I say this one can go to the 50s after the open. Anyway, I'm gonna ring the opening bells again. But I do like it. It should be going to, yeah, down to the 50s. But we have to wait again. Hey, Chow Tang. Take stop loss. Oh, yeah. Move stop a bit lower. No, I'm not moving my stop. I'll let it take it. I'm not moving it. We need 100% coupon. I'm gonna let Streamlabs know it. Take BULENOX. It's 90%. It's 90% with BULENOX. So you can YOLO. I mean, if I want to YOLO accounts, I do it with BULENOX and Apex. It's very good. I know it's intraday trailing, but if you trade the opening range and if you want to go all in, what you can do is buy like a few BULENOX accounts, like 3 or 4, and buy like 2 or 3 Apex accounts, and you can also hedge them. Very high chance that you should be getting a funded account after that, and then you will take it slowly. if you know what to do and if you have the extra money to lose. But yeah, I'm a support to close my APEX. Can't verify me. I know I have email. So Apex still does not verify you. I don't understand what the hell. I mean, with the valid passport in English, they should be verifying. I don't know what their problem is. I'm sorry to hear that, Chao Tang. It's not good. I'm not sure. I don't know. I mean, haven't heard really that Apex don't want to pay. Honestly, with these futures prop firms, I mean, no word about that so far. They paid everyone. If they haven't paid someone, it's because due to some regulations or something, but they paid a lot of money so far. All right. Market is about to open in 15 seconds. It's going to be super loud, so get ready for the opening bell in 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. I'm going to get taken out. 4, 3, 2, 1. Cover your ears. There you go. Down to the 50s. Patty made a good trade here. All right. Should have stayed in the short, right? Or should have taken the short. It can still go down, I think. Small retracement and maybe go down. Who knows? Swept some liquidity from these levels. I know. Oh, sorry. I just deleted my limit order there. Let's see what is going to happen here. One more liquidity pocket down at 39, 38. Not sure if it wants to reach for that. All right. It's down at 39 actually. Anyway. Fred and hey there. I'm not doing so good. I'm actually down $200 today on this account. This is an evaluation account. I did not trade the rest of them. I'm down 200 on this MyFundedFutures evaluation. Might be looking for some good trades, maybe to the buy side. So far, nothing extra. No, I didn't get the short, unfortunately. You get your 300 points. There you go. Congratulations, by the way. Yeah, maybe, I mean, I'm still looking for that buy side up there. Who knows? Could be interesting. Interesting target, that is. I'm watching the 1 minute chart, the 5 and the 15 here to my left. Waiting to see if we get a structure shift. The 1 minute shifted, but I'm not sure that it's going to be enough. Yeah, I'm hoping for that buy side too. I do like that 938 level. So let's hope it will happen. Let's go. Let's go. So far, no sign. It swept some liquidity. Maybe it wants some more. There is some more at 39. Should go down there. If this one is not going anywhere, maybe I'm gonna add one sell to scalp it. I don't know. But that's on the 5 minutes, so I'm not sure. The way that it's printing, it's hard to tell. We are in discount on the daily chart. Seasonality stays straight up from to mid-April. Yeah, I agree, but there are still some liquidity pockets on the 5 minute down there that has not been taken. But I agree with you, we should be pushing more higher, but first the question is it going to sweep that liquidity or not? That is the question, and I'm really curious what is going to happen here. Let's see. Also on, yeah, nothing to be seen. So I don't know. Pretty much stuck here in this range. No breakout. This trend here is pretty strong, downtrend. We need a strong up close candle. I think everybody's waiting for that before going long. Otherwise, I think we're just targeting the 39s down there. I added the sell. I'm willing to close it if I have to. Targeting the 39s. Or maybe I'm just gonna close it as it is. Going in high stakes here. High stakes trading, you know how it is. Still going down. Liquidity is at 39. I'm curious if we're gonna go down there or not. All right, exited the trade. Back to profit. 50,000. Oh, there you go, 39. I exited too early. So this was a scalp trade. Managed to make $55 in profit, but I was down $200, so I made $250 as a scalp Asia low. Asia low has been taken here. Right here. Has already been taken. So now that it tapped into this 5-minute area here, I'm really looking for some longs. Asia is open until 10 a.m. That's true. That's true. That's true. That's true. That's true. Let me check the regular trading hours. Do we have a gap or anything? Not really. So I'm hoping to go long here. Finally going for that buy side. Maybe scalp it again. If it would go up there and take out that high, that would be awesome. One small push that is needed. If not, then as you said, we could be going for a new low down there. Which pretty much I think that's going to be the case. Failed to make that new high. So are we going down? Seem like it. Don't know. I don't know. Liquidity has been swept, so the question is, are we going to take some new highs? Or are we going to continue to drop? Maybe everybody wants to see that buy side, and that's why the buyers are having trouble. Nothing special. There is some liquidity at the 70s, according to Bookmap, but I don't really care about that too much. If this one is letting go, then we definitely have to take out the previous low down there. This is just scalping. It looks like the market technically stopped. Do we have any other news? Not really, right? Oh yeah, later. Okay. All right. Try to scalp it for a sell. For a continuation down to the 14.15 actually. So let's go to, yeah, down there. Sell from 52.50. Looking for the 16. Short. I'm short right now, but this is just a scalp. I'm just scalping. This is not my typical entry model. I'm just scalping to see if it wants to reprice that range all the way down. There is a order block also on the 1 minute. I'm targeting 16.25. It's a very dangerous one, so I'm short, but this is not my classic entry model. This is just a scalp trade on my end. If I would see it bounce back to up to the 70s or maybe higher, then I'm just gonna close it. Yeah, unfortunately, it seems like it found some grip here. What a shame, what a shame. Still in the trade from 52, targeting the 16. All right, took one off. My final TP is 16.50. I'm moving my stop maybe to break even. 53, no, I'm not sure. 53.75, 53.25 is my stop. Still in the trade, looking to close it. I closed it manually. That's it. I closed it manually. I went in with minis. So as you guys can see, we're up 50,729 on this evaluation. So made $300 profit. There you go. Come on, only with scalping. But I don't like to scalp. I hate this, especially with minis. Because when I scalp, the risk management rules are changing. I have to go with higher stakes. I have to give a bigger room for it. So I exited. And that's it. But hey, I was down minus $200 and now I'm up plus 300. It's good for me. I take it, especially on an evaluation. And now we're going to 16. My typical entry model is determining the, first of all, figuring out the draw on liquidity, and then the classic ICT U2 2022 model. Need a market structure shift, displacement with a fair value gap, and then I jump in a trade. And that's it. That's my typical entry model. Here, we didn't have that for now. And I also have a mechanical system. But that's a long story. I'm not going to talk about it. It's that is also the YouTube 2022 entry. with a little bit extra with the exponential moving averages. So I just thought that price is going to be slowing down here, and yeah, I thought it would be better just to exit. I think I did good by closing it there. So I'm just waiting for now. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, it's going back. I wonder if this buy side is gonna get taken. It should be. It has to be. And if I see this correctly, then that was a market structure shift. Correct? Here. I'm eager to jump into a long, to be honest. Actually, I just did. So, oh yeah. So there you have it. It's a hard stop, so don't get carried away too much with it. 68, 70. I'm gonna put a TP there. So this is not my final stop, that's just a hard stop. I'm looking for this to take those highs. I might close it any second. Looking for that wick up there. But it can still go down to 51, sweep some more liquidity before it goes up there. So let me keep an eye on that too. Lots of orders up there at the 80s. So my take profit is right there. Actually, the high of that candle is 82.75. So yeah, my take profit is in place. The question is, how much liquidity does this trade need? Are they going to push it there? Fire up the longs, yeah. Keep in mind that this can still go down to 51 area, to 50s. Sweep some more. Have to be prepared for that too before it would take off, but yeah. What I'm doing right now is extreme high risk. I would never do this on a funded account, just saying. Maybe with micros, yes, but with mini, no. I would not do this with mini on a funded account, so. Still a lot of orders. Both directions. If I have to, I close it down with a loss and we move on to the next one. I don't like to sit in this for too long. It has to make that spike to 82. It has to. Come on, 82 has to work out here. Come on, 82. No. Don't go down. You want to go up. You want to go up, not down. Come on. Some more push. 82s. Come on, take out that wick up there. Oh, come on, Jesus Christ. Take that out. Take it out. It's up there at the 80s. You just have to reach for it. Come on, reach for it. One more push. One more push. There. Perfect. All right. So we are up 600. Made it to 51,000 on this evaluation account. That's good. Maybe I should trade a different account. Why give back the profits, right? So this is why it's good if you want to scalp the opening range. Been in long since yesterday closed. Nice. Look at this. It's going. All right, going higher. Should have stayed in this. Looking good for that buy side. Still a lot of liquidity. It's pulling it up there. Should be going for the 38. Let me check the level on the mini too. On the mini, the level is 38.50. The same. Look at that. It's gonna go for it, damn it. And I closed it earlier. Oh. Oh, the FOMO, guys, the FOMO. The FOMO is real. Should be going for it. Look at that. Yeah. Should be going. You're flying, baby. I'm tempted to jump into a long again. Damn it. Alright, I'm in. Should not have jumped in here. Oh no. Yeah. As I expected it. I'm willing to hold this because I made some extra profit. So I'm willing to hold this until it retraces down to the 70s. That's the maximum. Because then my profits will be still covered. I mean, the profits would be still covering my loss. But I want to see this fly to 38. Ron, thank you for the subscription there. Thank you, thank you. Up 3700 and 250. Nice, Daniel Lee. Good job, good job. Congratulations there. Damn it. I'm stuck in this one. Jumped the gun too early. The only reason I'm holding it for this long here because I have some extra profits, but I don't really like what I see here. I have to close it, I think. If it can't get above 900, it closed above, but I don't know. Anyway. The 5-minute looks clean with the structure shift. 15-minute looks okay. Everything looks nice. I don't know what's the hold up here. I might have to close this one. I'm gonna put a hard stop. My hard stop is right there, and 17 is going to be my sell limit. Actually, it's gonna be 17. All right. Okay. So this is not my final stop loss, just saying. I'm gonna move that if I have to. This is scalping right here. And I just want to see if this one breaks these highs going into that liquidity or not. Okay, decision point. Break structure, I'm out. Actually, I think I'm gonna move my stop here. Damn it. Maybe there. Damn it, damn it, damn it. I thought that this is gonna work out. Why not? Why is it not working out? This is the problem with scalping on my end. Alright. This trade is gonna go. If it trades below there, I'm not really interested holding this more. I'll be still at break even for the day, I think. But I really wanted to see it go out there. Maybe now, who knows. Oh, come on. Just decide. Need to wait. Yeah, this is scalping on an evaluation account. I'm not doing this on funded accounts. So I already made some profits. So if I lose this trade, I will still be around break even for the day. So don't really care. I just saw this move higher, and so I thought we should be breaking at least these highs up there. But this one is having some trouble. No. It's kind of like a fair value gap down here too. Okay, you have to let this one go. It's official, I think. The only thing I'm willing to do is put this a little lower in case if it wants to reprice that small gap over there, but it can still wick this one out. But it's not moving. What a shame. What a shame. What a shame. Alright. I'm out. Officially. Back to square one. Back to square one, guys. I think I'm in minus. Yeah, minus 170. 38. Very bad. I thought I'm gonna exit at break even from this one. But no. Oops. took my stop and started to go back up again, but I re-entered the trade, trying to go for that extra mile. Up 5k now. Nice. I think, well, Daniel, you know, I think you should call it a day. After a profit like this, you should call it. You should definitely call it a day. Oh wow, the 15-minute looks terrible, actually. And the 5-minute is not so good either. So it's absolutely not looking good. But I'm still saying that we should be going for that 38. But first we need to break that. Oh, you guys don't see it. First we need to break that line up there. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. You're in. It's dangerous. It's dangerous. I'm telling you. It's super dangerous. I was just waiting for that break, but if it's not gonna happen, I'm gonna reverse the trade, because then we should be dropping down to that target that I was mentioning at the 60s. 16, sorry, not 60s, 16. So I'm waiting for that too. Oh, I forgot to put my hard stop again. So there's my hard stop if I have to move it. If it can't break the 10, then we're going down to the 16 for sure. It feels heavy now again. It's not, it can't really push, so it's getting denied. Don't like it. If this one fails, there's no stop until the 15 or 16 down there. Seems like it just can't go through, guys. It just can't. It can't make it. You gained a sub, man. You are pretty chill. You've been trading. Are you profitable? I took out $4,200 last year from TOPSTEP. And that's nothing, I know. But this year I only took out $350. So I'm not saying I'm profitable. I made profits, but that's all I did. I mean, I never said I'm profitable. Never. All I said is that last year I made that small money from TOPSTEP, but I spent like $5,000 or $6,000 on evaluation accounts from September to December, at least $6,000, and I made back $4,200. And this year I only made $350 profit, and I spent like maybe $1,500 or $2,000 on evaluation accounts. So if I'm profitable, I'm definitely not profitable. So I am not profitable. I never said that. If I'm gonna be taking multiple payouts per month in 3 months, in every month, then maybe I'm going to say that I am getting to be break even, not profitable, but break even. Maybe I'm gonna say that at that point, but otherwise I'm not sure. Oh, I forgot, no runner. Anyway, so I'm back to profit 51,000. I regain my losses. Should be going higher, but I just wanted to make some profit on this evaluation account. I think. Thank you, Daniel. So guys, that's why I'm saying it's still a long road ahead of me, and I think this year is gonna be a huge step, because my goal, I have how many new accounts? I have three new funded accounts, 2 with BULENOX, 1 with Apex, and I have 2 older ones, 1 with two from TOPSTEP. But I'm going to trade 2 funded accounts in the next 60 days here on stream. Not today, but I'm gonna do the daily recap. And my goal is to take at least 1 payout from these 2 funded accounts in the next 60 days. So not 1 week, not 2 weeks, not a month, 60 days. 60. So I give 2 months to myself. Oh my god, I can't look at this. It's going right where I wanted it. And Fredden said so. All right. Should I re-enter, guys? Should I? If you guys tell me to re-enter, I'm going to re-enter. It's your decision now. You guys are going to tell me what I'm going to do. Should I re-enter the long position or not? Time is ticking. Fredent, you cracked the code. Re-enter. All right, I'm re-entering. Buying one market. There you go. Re-entered. What the hell? 38.50. How long should I hold it? Not financial advice. How long should I hold it? What should be my final TP? 38. I'll put a TP there just in case. All right. End of day. End of day. Should I add one more mini contract? I can do that. I can enter one more mini if you want me to. I can add one more mini contract. If you want me to add one more mini, I'll do it. If not, I'm not going to do it. It's up to you. I'm not deciding here. I'm going to do it. Should I add one more? One more contract? You guys tell me. Because I'm going to do it. 1 to 2 DM. No, I know it's a stupid question because we don't know how far this one goes down, so I'm still down. I mean, I'm already down into, I'm still in the profit, but uh-oh, doesn't look good. This one is a shift. Oh no. Dude, I have to take a break. Yeah. Oh man. This one is not looking that good, does it? Don't worry guys, I'm just joking around. Of course, I am going to add one more contract if I have to. No, this is mini. This is mini. This is not micro. This is mini. Yeah, this is a mini contract right here. This is not micro. Yeah, this is crazy, I know. But this is an evaluation. This is not a funded account. You should see this, Patty, what we did on the BULENOX account with Methodical Man the other week. We were YOLOing with 5 and 7 minis per trade. I absolutely don't care about the evaluation account that much. The only thing I care is the funded account. I would never do this on a funded account. Never, ever. On the funded account, only micro and not like this. Only by the entry model. This is actually a short entry. So we did swap some highs there. I'm willing to close this trade while I still can. How are we looking? This is a MyFundedFutures 50k starter account, and I also have TOPSTEP, BULENOX, Apex accounts. But this is a this is a MyFundedFutures. I think I have to close this trade out. Pretty much looks like it. Yeah, I'm gonna close this. Maybe I can relog. Come on. Maybe I can. Oh, hold on. I have to get back to the trading panel. Yeah, MyFundedFutures. Do 2 micros until end of day, not financial advice. I mean, that's a good idea. So we used to have these kind of YOLO days, most likely on Fridays, not like this. But right now, this is just an evaluation account. Let me relog here. You know, for the shorts, this could be a good opportunity. Take that swing. I mean, this is a juicy target right there. The VWAP is holding for now. Hey, Zoltan. Yeah, this was a almost 600 loss. No, I'm trying to scalp this MyFundedFutures account. This is an evaluation account, of course. So far, you know, just partially fooling around with it, but scalping. It's this AM session is dedicated to scalping for now. So I don't need other entry model right now. I'm just looking for some levels of liquidity and watching price action, kind of like discretionary trading. Or something similar to that. Which I don't like. It's not a good habit, I know. That is why the funded account is a different story. It's a different level. Absolutely different things happening on a funded account. So I'm wondering if this is going to break that low or not. Seems like it, but I'm not sure. Anyway. Oh wow, wait a second. I think of course, just a second because you guys can't see it. Just a second, let me go in. Just a second, guys, just a second. Forgot to relog. So here's the account. Today I'm up $773. I just scalped it to go short. Account summary, notifications log. Oh, that's it. So this is what I just did. No orders. Actually, I had. So I was in a second. Somebody go over this. Filled. NQ. Well, yeah, because I bought it back right now. So anyway, I'm up $700 on this eval, and that's it. Yeah, now it seems like a downtrend. But I don't really want to scalp this account. I'm happy that this little endeavor that we did in this session ended up in a profit. So overall, I'm happy with $700 profit on an evaluation account. I might move to a different account. I have another 50K account right here. As you can see, it has not been traded yet. It's a fresh one. These are the two evaluations on trade weight at MyFundedFutures. This one is up $700 and the other one is still at zero. No trades have been taken on this so far. So I might take a trade, who knows? But so far that's it. So guys, please push the like button, and if you would like to grab some discount accounts, go for it. We have everything we need. Okay. ES. Let's check the ES. ES is also dropping. Let me show you. This is ES. Should be going for the previous day low. Hey Chao Tang, if you're saying hi, then hope to see you tomorrow. Don't you need work? Depend what kind of work. Full-time work? No, not so much right now. I'm prepared myself for the next few months to be able to take my payouts. So I dedicated myself fully to the stream and being here and building up the channel. So yeah, I have my funded accounts to go with, and as I said, the goal to take payouts in 60 days. It would be great to have $1,000 per account in 60 days. That would be great. I think that's absolutely achievable, so I'm going for that. I am going for that. Looks like a short. I mean, on ES, I think it wants to go down to 81. NQ is going to follow, so that means this drop can continue. But let's look at it in a classic way. This one is a beautiful entry. If you look at the classic ICT entry model, this is actually a beautiful entry. So if you take a short here, or if you're already in it, your stop would be here. 1 to 2 risk to reward would bring you somewhere down there. So I think it's it could be almost a textbook trade. Swept some liquidity, not everything, but overall I think there's a high chance to go lower right down there. If anyone is in this trade, then bum, 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 bum. I work for 996. What do you mean by that, Chao Tang? You're working for 996. Oh wow, look at that. This could have been a beautiful entry, beautiful trade. Didn't happen, unfortunately. Look at this. What a move. What a move. Okay, I can admit, I do feel some FOMO, but what can we do? It is what it is. From 9 a.m. 6 days a week. Wow. You're working a lot, Chow. You're working a lot. So 12, 9 a.m., 6 p.m., 6 days. So you're working 12-hour shifts then, Chao Tang. So I'm guessing you definitely want to, you know, master the trading. So I am very admire those who don't need work. Oh, I see what you mean. Yeah, that's a long work week, Chao Tang. Absolutely a long work week. And, you know, I wish that you can get out of that real soon. Hopefully you can master trading better than I am right now. But I mean, mastering the skill is absolutely a goal. Chinese work model. Yeah, 12-hour shift, 6 days a week. That's a lot. I mean, day trading is work too. Yeah, Daniel is right. So I know it sounds different or seems different, but being in front of the chart and focusing on your mind to take the payouts is also takes a huge toll. Usually 9 to 5, okay, but still 6 days a week is a lot, especially when you're learning. Yeah. I have clients who escaped to London after they finished university. Not to work like that. Oh yeah. Yeah, I get how's that. Yeah, that used to be the case. People are leaving the country to work somewhere else. Yeah, sounds horrible. Sounds horrible. I'm thinking like, where can this trade go, right? So I don't know. And I also heard that some people are so good at scalping that you know, those traders are like discretionary traders, and I'm trying to understand them, by the way. I keep all my fingers crossed for you. Yeah, me too. I mean, Chao Teng, I really hope that you will acquire those skills real soon. And you can leave that job, you know. I really hope so. So when Apex reject verify ID, I felt upset. Oh yeah, I found it's a way to make some money. I would say absolutely don't give up, Chang, because it's only Apex. You should be looking all the prop firms up, also in the futures space, because there may be a way to trade with them. For example, if I would be you, and if I want to trade futures from your country, I would be writing an email to each and every prop firm, so you can just copy paste the same email basically and ask around to you know, which one is the one that accepts your passport and identification. It costs too much. But even if you move to Europe, that doesn't necessarily going to mean that you can trade with these firms, because your nationality is still going to be in China. So I mean, of course, I understand, not because of trading, but because of work. I know it costs. I imagine it can be a really expensive trip to do. All right, let me close this. Still looking at that 38 level up there. On the 15-minute and on the 5-minute, price is pretty much still consolidating. All right, let's wait. I have been to the States. I have been in New York in 2011. So only in New York in December for a week. So, and it was, yeah, 13 years ago. Almost 13 years ago. But it was great. I want to go back, actually. I'm just waiting for a setup, guys. Okay, so this one is breaking higher, and I'm actually willing to continue some scalping, but I don't know which position to take. This one can go above the 98. Not a clean shift. There is a liquidity void down there, which I'm not sure this one want to go through with it or on it, but we'll see. Yeah, watching paint dry again. Exactly the same scenario. Don't really know what to do with this price action. If you look at the 15 and the 5 minute, it's pretty much just standing still. And I like to see still the 38 being taken out. But if you just go to the 15 minute here, I mean, look at this. This is the New York kill zone from 7 a.m. I mean, what is this? Untradeable. Totally untradeable. So, I don't know, guys. It's really, 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 really crazy. It can still drop, take out some lows. There is still a fair value gap on the 5 minute below 21. So you can go for it. Still a good distance. 13 years. Yeah, I was in New York. Yeah. All right. Okay. Still no structure shift. This 1 minute candle has to close 20 more seconds for it. You know, what would be something if I could pass an evaluation account with only one mini in 1 day? You know, that would be awesome. Passing an evaluation account in 1 day with one mini. That would be fantastic. Okay, what might be shifting again to the upside. How many mini allowed on a 50k? If you're going with a starter, there's 2 minis you can start with. If you go with an expert, there's 5 mini, also on the funded account. So when you get funded, you can start with 5 minis on the expert and 2 minis on the starter on a 50k. You're long? No problem. Still waiting for a move. Seems like somebody pulled the plug officially, but we're gonna wait. I'm gonna wait this one out. I'm curious what's gonna happen approaching to the lunch hour. It just started to rain a little bit. So anybody in a trade, guys? Let me know. What a range here. And please, guys, if you can help me out, please push the like button. That really helps out the stream. Also, you can subscribe, but pushing the like is free and it gives a little bit better exposure to the channel. Thank you so much if you would be doing that. Thank you. FOMC. Oh yeah, FOMC is coming at... Oh, it's not going to be... I mean, Powell is going to speak, but we still have some time until then. Barkin and Powell. So that means we're going to have some fireworks by that time. You gave 10 likes. Thank you, Daniel. Thank you. Much appreciated. Thank you so much. Thank you. And I really want to thank you all. I mean, I know not everybody's here. We used to be more people in the London session, but without you guys, I would not be able to be here. I'm really going to change my hours. Only non-kill zone. If you guys look back the whole year so far, most directional trading happened outside of the kill zone. Actually, you have a good point there, Zoltan. Good point. I was backtesting, but only like a few weeks, not too much. And actually not a few weeks, all the way back to December even. And I was also checking out, like, after the kill zone, even in the after the London kill zone, the market started to move. The same goes for the New York AM kill zone. So after 11 a.m., the market seems to make some trending moves to a certain direction, but everybody was waiting for the big pull during that 2 or 3 hours in the kill zone, but so far nothing is happening. And after that, approaching the lunch hour, some real good liquidity sweeps has been or have been happening. So or have happened. I don't know which one is the exact. So I think there is a point to that. I did the same. Between kill zones there are more trend moves. So because I'm also journaling my trades, I realized that when I look back to my journal, and I was talking about this in the kill zone in the London session, that I didn't do too well on the streams, and my better trades came after the streams when I was trading after the kill zone, and those trades were the ones that were actually making me the good profits, which helped me to regain my losses back. And so that is, I have actual proof of that. So my journal is actually telling me that the best trades, I mean not the best, but some of the best trades were coming out after the stream, after I closed the stream. So I have to take that into consideration. Of course, nobody, it's not a rule that you can only trade in the kill zone. You can trade whenever you want. The kill zone phrase itself, it's not a written rule, because kill zone is just telling you that most likely which at which time could we expect more volatility. But yeah. So when Powell starts to speak, that's going to be at the PM session most likely, right? Same here, also less volatility, yeah. So I'm not sure about you guys, but it's definitely interesting. It's something interesting to be watching for. So let's see. We are exiting the kill zone. Yes, the time right now. Yeah, we just exited officially from kill zone. So I would be curious what we do here. My bias is still at 938. We need a structure shift, of course. If it does a structure shift, well, not this candle, but if it's shifting higher, I might target the ups. I mean, this is a bearish order block here. If this one stays bullish, we can still expect at least a 30-point move. And this is the target, the 38 should be breaking the order block. So at least 30 to 40 points of movement we can expect, right? I mean, that would be something I'm interested in. This was a nice candle, but it's nothing crazy. Okay, we're starting to see a move. Look at that. 1044 plus fair value gap on the 1 minute might have been the catalyst. Might be. Look at this. Could be the move that we were waiting for. I'm not sure, but it's interesting. As the kill zone was over, we are starting to see some kind of a movement. Maybe it really wants to edge higher, who knows. This candle might need to reprice a little bit lower. So we'll see. At 90, if we break above the 900, that would be interesting. Repricing this candle right there. Watching it closely. Watching it closely. We should be having a push above 97. And that is going to be this 1 minute order block here. And above that order block is a clean way to go to 38. So I would be watching that. But seems like the theory so far is working. Look at this push. I'm not sure. 883.75 structure shift. Oh yeah. Although no fair value gap, but technically it is a structure shift. So yeah. A bullish market structure shift. Question is this enough to push it higher? No fair value gap so far, but that doesn't really matter all that much. But it shifted nicely. So if it wants to go down, then we need to see a sharp drop anyways. Let me check something. I know it's not accurate. On the book map there is liquidity on both directions. For now it seems like almost equal amount of orders in both directions. Could be sweeping some more, maybe even down from the VWAP, but poked into this gap right here. Not sure if it's gonna go higher, but I mean, ideally, if we take this remaining gap as a liquidity sweep, then ideally we would like to see price, you know, delivering it to downside. Maybe we have higher lows, making kind of a structure here. Not sure. We have to get through this fair value gap anyways, if the target is up there at 38. But nothing is moving. Okay. Now this one could be a shift to the downside. Who knows? This is a structure actually. Six seconds to go. If this one closes right here, this is a market structure shift. Is this a sell model? It could be. It could be. Taking out some lows maybe down there. A little bit of a dangerous area. There is a small liquidity void, both on the micro and the mini. I'm not saying that that's a target, but this shift to the downside, you know, going into that gap, shifting down. Next reasonable target would be down there. If we're going for internal range liquidity. Poolman, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for the sub. Welcome to the channel. Oh, you don't see the, you don't hear the applause. So let me give you an applause for subscribing. Thank you. Welcome to the channel. I'm not saying that this one is the move. Yeah, of course, I understand. It very well might be. Yes. Could be just hovering here sideways. If market wants to play the internal range, then next target would be around 58 to go down. There is a small gap here, actually at 65. Let me check it. Yeah, maybe there. I don't know. For example, if we trade back above 95, then we should be going for even higher places. Seems like we're going, or not. I mean, we just have to trade through this gap like this and even go at least to the bodies of the candles at 911 there. Yeah, somewhere there. And I'm still sticking with the original thought process of going for the 938. But who knows? 900 was the bearish fair value gap. 10, yeah. 10, yeah, 21. Yeah, that was the bearish fair value gap, and I wonder what's gonna happen now. If we can push it, yeah, if we can push past by it, then I guess there will be no stopping above 24, then 31, and to the 38s from here. So I'm looking for that. But if this dumps, then there's no stop until the 50s. I mean, that's what I would think so. At this point, it's just a waiting game. Maybe have to wait all the way to the Fed, to Powell, to say something that could shake the market. Everything's pretty quiet for now. But that bearish area was yeah, optimal trade entry too. It was exactly, precisely. So if we take that, we can actually target the lows. The only problem with that fair value gap is that it's inside of a bearish order block. And these levels like to be taken out by the market many times, but because this is just a 1 minute chart, it's hard to say. Yeah, exactly. Who knows? Who knows? I do like these targets higher. I even like the 24. And I like the 1 hour fair value gap up there at the 38. So it's hard to tell. Oops. Now it seems like it wants to drop. Again, if it wants to drop, it just has to go below 52. I mean, that's absolutely doable. This is when your higher time frame bias and market analysis kicks in. So where is the draw on liquidity? That's what we have to find out in this place. I mean, in these cases. Still going there. Look at that, it's going up. The 38 is getting a little bit closer. How interesting, and we are not in the kill zone. I'm gonna tell you guys, if we get a nice retracement after this candle into this, I'm just gonna hold it. I'll try to go for it. At least I might try to. Okay, so this is the trade I'm in. No stop. Just a hard stop. Trying to scalp it if I can. Yeah, I'm long too. But this is just a scalp. I don't want to hold it for too long because it's 1 mini. I want to make some quick profits, low hanging fruit. And for me, the low-hanging fruit would be the break of this level. So yesterday PM session high would be also good. I want to get out from this trade early, so I'm looking for a price to break that wick. This is not my final stop loss, just saying. If it's going to start to drop sharp, I'm just going to close it manually. But I'm looking for that high to be broken. Going long 5073 ES from 70 what? 5073. We have not been at 73. Got some nice ads down there. Nice. So I want to see the 2475 being broken. The high of this candle is 25. Actually, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna modify it to, for example, 2450. That should be fine for me. You're getting sleepy? Oh, look at that. Come on, let's have that push finally. Oh, it was just wicking up there. Let me see the book map. I do enjoy trading right now, even if I lose this. Let's check it. Yeah, there's a lot of orders up there above 25. Yeah, there's a lot above the 20s, 25. A lot of orders. Might be sweeping this area at the 900s. Could be interesting. My finger is on the button. If I would have to kill the trade, my finger is on the button. If it would decide to go down there and reprice everything, I might have to close it. Okay, the more time we're spending ranging, yeah, the more likely it's gonna go down and reprice some more areas, which I don't really like, but it's most likely is gonna happen. And then I will have to make a decision to kill the trade or not. Waiting to go long. Yeah, so I'm already in this. Not the best entry, but for example, at the 900, if it starts to drop from the 900, I might have to decide to kill the trade if there's a sharp drop. Pretty much sideways, so that's why I'm only aiming for the low-hanging fruit at 2450. That would be perfectly okay for me, but wants to sweep some more from this gap. Yeah, there you go. Okay, I'm still fine with this as long as it starts to push. Oh no. Don't like this. I don't really like this. Dropping. Oh man. Below the 900, I have to kill this. I think so. Yeah. Still holding it. Should have killed it already. Just saying. Still holding. I don't know why. Got stopped out. I think I have to kill this one, guys. Alright. I had to kill this. I'm still up in profit. And the other account, how's it going? Yeah, it's still nothing, no trades. Unfortunate. I was really hoping for that. Now this one made a structure shift. I don't know what the hell it wants. Very interesting move, to say the least. I wonder after this candle what it wants to do. Does it want to sweep some more liquidity down there? Small fair value gaps, liquidity void at 50s. This could have been a bull trap. Shifted structure here. Not a perfect market structure shift, but it was a shift. I don't know. We tried. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. So I just want to show something. Maybe it's irrelevant, but there's a liquidity void down there at the 50s on the mini. Maybe it's not that significant. What we have, the swing low, we have the liquidity void. Swept everything it could here, ready to go short. You know, if the plan was to take out everyone, or to trap the bulls, sorry, to trap everyone to go long, that this is the area, they should send it lower. We're below the 900, so things can get really ugly for the bulls. If they will be trapped here. But this market today, especially because Powell is going to speak, it's difficult. Okay, going back into this gap. And there you go, repricing that as well. So if it breaks higher from here, we should be going for the 25, then maybe new highs again. Decision has to be made by the market makers. You know what? I'm still... I don't know. Still looks kind of bullish, but... I don't know, guys. Ranging market, but feels bullish. There's no sharp drop from here so far. It's holding the level, which would mean it can still go for those highs. Just saying. I don't know. I don't know what to make of this. We're just waiting. This gap is pretty much interesting. Actually, the gap was from here. All right. Let's wait. I don't know what it wants, guys. I still stand by my bias to the upside. Short, very good setup. Yeah, it could go down. Look at all these higher lows waiting to be taken out. So it could work out quite easily. Could be working out those shorts. This gap is still holding. So could be a huge drop. Should be all the way down to the 50s. Look at that. If it closes like this, yeah, so right now, so this could be a continuation, a sign of continuation to go lower, but then it should be touching the 50s again. I would be curious if it goes down there or not. Oh, you didn't open. Okay. Say I got stopped out. Everybody can go long now. Yeah. That's the problem with the ranging market here. I still think we can go to 38, but this was a shift here, another minor shift here. I'm waiting. Waiting to see if they want to fool everyone and maybe pull it down to the 50s before Powell starts to speak. Who knows? That's not too far for Nasdaq. It's like 30 points, 35. All right, maybe it's going up. Look at this. Was an interesting squeeze. If this one would go, I mean, it should be going to 38. Where is the 30? Yeah, so this one could go up there. A little bit boring until we're waiting for the press, or sorry, Powell. Is there going to be a press conference after that? No. I don't see any press conference scheduled. Yes, is pushing again. So I'm going to be sticking with my previous analysis that we should be going for the 38. Yo-yo price action, exactly. Exactly. Absolutely not ideal. I mean, in this range, it's just almost not worth the trade at all, as much as I would like to. We have that buy side target. I think I'm gonna so my final decision in this, we should be taking out the 938. Should be. Are we gonna? No idea. No idea, but not the best conditions, that's for sure. Absolutely not ideal conditions. Almost useless to trade in this range. Still 1 hour, 1.5 hours until Powell starts to speak, and guys, this is just so boring, so mind-killing. This is exactly the time when you should not be trading. Really, this is the perfect time when you should not be trading. Not even surprised in this price section, really. I am not. Anyways, I think I'm gonna cut it here. It's no use sitting in here. This is just not moving. So in the lunch hour almost, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm coming back tomorrow for London, so hope to see you guys tomorrow in the London session. I think New York is pretty much done for today, so nothing to do here. Thank you so much for watching. Please drop a like if you can, and if you can help out the stream, use my codes and links. Appreciate that very much. And see you guys. It was a good session, but nothing to do here. All right, so thank you guys again, and see you everyone at London. All right, cheers.